So the Samsung Galaxy S26 FE, the successor for the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, which is going to launch in the next month end, by the September end. So this mobile is going to come starting with the display. It comes with a 6.7 inches of dynamic AMOLED 2x LTPO Super AMOLED display, and it also supports 120 Hz refresh rate. By the way, this mobile will be protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 at the front, and it also supports HDR10+, obviously. And when we talk about the processor, this mobile is going to have the Exynos 2600, which is going to be a deca-core processor, which is a Samsung's own customized processor for the FE Fan Edition version only. So this mobile will be available in mostly 3 variants till the news now. Those are like 8GB RAM 256, 12GB RAM 256, and 12GB RAM 512GB internal storage variants. Obviously, these are going to be UFS 4.0 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5 RAM types. So if the processor performs well, we can expect a good performance from this mobile. When we talk about the cameras, this FE mobile is going to come with a this 3 rear camera setup, where we can find a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and a 8 megapixels of telephoto 3x optical zoom camera, and a 12 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. Yeah, for the front, this mobile also comes with a 12 megapixels of front facing selfie camera, which can be used to shoot up to 4K 60 fps with this mobile's back cameras, not 8K support. So to power up this mobile, we need a battery, right? So this mobile is going to come with the 4900 milliamps of battery, which supports 45 watts of fast charge through wire till the news now, and it also supports Qi2, the QI2 wireless charge up to 25 watts, and it also supports 4.5 watts of reverse wireless charge also. So this mobile is going to be a polycarbonate back and metal frame, and also the front glass body. When we talk about this mobile's other features, like this mobile comes with a Android 16 out of the box with One UI 9 probably by that time, because in the next month, by the next month end, the 9 might going to release. So we can expect One UI 9 in that mobile. And also this mobile is going to come with stereo speakers, but no 3.5mm jack, and this mobile also supports USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2. We can also connect Elgato and streaming devices to stream the mobiles without any hesitation. And this mobile is also going to comes with latest features such as Bluetooth 6.0, Wi-Fi 7 tri-band support, NFC, and all the things. When we talk about this mobile's other features like box contents, this mobile is going to come with a charger, cable, TPU case, and also SIM ejector tool included in the box of the mobile with the basic certifications. When we talk about this mobiles, the colors, this mobile will be available in a lot of colors, like 5 to 4 colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below, or I will update the colors when the mobile releases with a buying link, so you can go and check it out from there. Oh, by the way, if you're watching the video till now, subscribing to the channel would be very amazing. This mobile is going to come with a in-display fingerprint scanner, as we all know that's a Gen 2 scanner, and this mobile is also going to come with a no 3.5mm jack in this mobile. So this mobile is also going to come with the IP69 and water and dust resistant certification also. So these are the major features of this mobile. When we talk about the pricing, this is a major point. We have to take a deep look that see, all the prices of the mobiles are increasing these days due to the RAM and storage shortages due to the AI. So this mobile, till the news now, this mobile might comes with a price tag of like 65,999, almost like the 64,999, 65,000 rupees. That's a huge jump from the last generation's S25 FE. So we have to wait and see till the mobile releases whether this is going to be the price, or whether there is any decrement in the price or any increment also. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.